What else you got down there?
A book. No, what's up here?
No, get the book and pass it to Mommy and picks it all up. We can't leave a mess around for the Easter Bunny.
Yeah.
More eggs up here, honey.
Whoa,
Look.
Easter Bunny left a big mess in your house, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, he did.
I know. Eggs.
No.
Another eggs. Mom, look. There's many eggs.
Put them all in your bucket. Put them in your bucket.
Another egg.
Here.
Put them in your bucket, honey.
Another egg.
Another egg. What's back there?
Crayons.
No.
Chalk.
Chalk. Chalk for the driveway.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, look. Footprints over here. What's he got left over here? What's under the couch? What's that?
Numbers.
Numbers?
Yeah.
Whoa. Tic-tac-toe. Come on.
Look.
Uncle Jeremy brought that for you last night. Look over here. There's more footprints. Look, there's a footprint right there. What's behind there?
This.
What is it?
Scissors.
No.
This.
Straw.
That's rabbit straws.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all in your bucket. Let's see what else we got.
What's another egg?
Yeah, there's footprints out in the kitchen. Do you want to go in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this one egg.
Another egg. Look, there's something on the chair.
Something in that chair.
Yeah, look. What's that?
This. Crayon.
Crayons. And what else is there? The Easter Bunny left you pretty buckles.
Yeah.
Yeah, put your eggs in the bucket. Okay. Oh, look, I see something over here.
Another egg.
That Easter Bunny made some mess in your house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa, what's this?
What's in that chair there? Make your own house.
Yeah.
We'll do that after breakfast.
Yeah.
Okay, look, there's footprints all over the floor, everywhere.
Yeah. Another egg.
Look, you walked right past these buckles. Give me your house. Pick up your buckles. Look, what's that great big present in the corner? What's the card say? Oh, I think that might be from Aunt Joan and Uncle Calvin. The Easter Bunny brought presents from them too. Okay, we'll drag that out. We'll bring it over here. Let's follow the footprints, see what else is here.